Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will guide you can deploy mass tweeting by MKT Twitter software. This is the main interface of MKT Twitter software. It will help you manage multiple Twitter accounts automatically. These are the accounts I added to be able to support the demo. To guide you after you've added the accounts, you can completely feed the account automatically according to the script. Here, you just need to add scripts. More actions to be able to deploy Nick farming automatically and make your accounts work. Increased reliability healthier. Then here you want to automatically tweet you into the viral marketing section. Here you choose the post tweet feature. After you guys set up, give yourself the configuration has this stream number of streams, number of accounts running simultaneously. Next, you choose the contents. Here I will use the contents I have added. After I have added my content, I will set up more feature sections such as consent to acceptance, post duplicate content, add hashtags. After you edit, give me the content. In the end, you just have to choose give me an account, Twitter, and you press the start button. Take care and follow along. Automatic tweeting features and MKT Twitter software. How will it support you? If you are interested in software, please contact us with me via Telegram or WhatsApp. I put it below the description. Thank you everyone. See you all in the next videos.